Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build 5 different styles of potted plants for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 6-stem branch. I'm going to take a hollow stud and slip the branch inside the stud and take 6 stud flowers. We're going to populate each limb with a flower. Now you can use any color you wish. I'm just using light bright orange. You can even mix and match for added character. If we get that on there, let's take ourselves an inverted 2x2 dome. We're going to set the stud right inside the pot. Makes a nice small potted plant. Let's take a 2x2 round plate with 1 stud. We're going to place an inverted 2x2 dome right on top, and I'm going to set a 4 stud long stick right in the center. Now take 5 flower stems. We're going to set these upside down, place the first one right on top of the stick, and I'm going to proceed on adding several. 5 in total, and just kind of offset them a bit. Makes a nice little potted tree. And we can even make transparent pots too, so let's take a 2x2 parabola dish. I'm going to take a transparent red minifigure head, set it right on top, and a 6-limb branch. Set that right on top of the minifigure head. Then I'm going to populate each one of the limbs with some flower studs. So this is light blue, or it could be aqua blue. There's so many blues, I've kind of lost count. This one wants to scoot out of frame here, but I caught it in time. Next, let's build a potted tree, starting with a 2x2 round flat tile with center hole. I'm going to take a 2x2 round dome. I'm going to stick the stud portion inside the round tile. Then I'm going to take a 2x2 round plate, set it on top of the dome, and one of these weird flower 2x2 plate things. Set that right on top for a nice pot. Next, take a 6 stud long stick with flange. I'm going to set the stick portion down where the flange is on top. Then I'm going to take one of these 3-limb bamboo pieces, set that right in there for a simple tree. Finally, for a potted bush, start with a 2x2 parabola dish. Let's place a modified 1x1 round plate with stick on top of the parabola dish, and let's take a beehive. Let's place the stick inside the top of the beehive. Set that like so. Take 3 hollow studs. We're going to place these on top of one another, and you want to place the stud portion right inside there. It looks like that. Set down a 6-stem branch right inside the bottom portion of the stud. It will stay right in place. Take a 1x1 round plate with leaf. I'm going to set a stud flower right on top, and I'm going to start placing these on like so. Now with these, you want the leaves to face down, but let's start with the bottom limbs first. Makes it easier to place these on. And then we can proceed on with the top. Sometimes we have to make sure which way we're putting these on here. You may have to wiggle things in a bit, but they will lock in place. It's very critical to wiggle the parts in. Get those right in there. We got one more right here. You need to make 6 of these in total for a nice potted bush.